We have been dreaming about kayaking for a long time. It was our dream to dance on the waves of the Nile. There was no way we could afford proper kayaking equipment and enjoy what White Nile River can offer. One day, kayaks and paddlers arrived from far away to Kingdom of Uganda. We couldn't believe with our eyes. Kayaks, paddlers, life jackets, helmets, sprite decks were here at Bubugo village. We don't really know who donated equipment, who is supporting us. They are coming from far away over the mountains and seas that we have never seen. Now we are ready to show the world what we are able to do.
It's now 1 year since I started working with Uganda Kayak School as a coach. We have got a number of 20 kids in our school. Most of these kids, they are really good swimmers and also they are students. The place where I'm trying to talk from right now is where we store or we keep our gears. We have got a house, we have got a room within to make our gears to be really very safe so that we can continue using them on the river. Whenever we go on our training, they fill their names, time and signature in the attendance book. So these are some of the names of the kids of Bubugo Kayak School, the time we are getting in the water, then the time we get out, plus their signature. We are a bit lucky that we are near Superhole, which is the most good place to kayak on the river Nile. It has got a very nice point where you can enjoy or get more freestyles within, with more tricks too. Uganda Kayak School is now being loved with a lot of people from the community. So we welcome everyone, come and have a look. They see the kids, they see how the community looks like, the people within, and what they do within the village. You are most welcome.